Day 3 of testimony in John Skelton's preliminary exam focused on Skelton's movements around the time his 3 sons disappeared and what he allegedly told family members before they vanished. 11 Investigates' Melissa Andrews following this for us.
Today, the judge heard from several of John Skelton's relatives, including one who said he showed up at her house on Black Friday morning with a camcorder and USB drive.
I said, well, he was just here. He gave me a camcorder and the USB. She said, well, we need to take it up to the police department. He told me to hold it, not to give it to anybody without a warrant.
And did Mr. Skelton explain to you at all why a warrant would be needed to get those things from you?
No.
You didn't wait for a warrant?
No.
She says John told her the boys were asleep in his van, but she never saw them. Later that day, another relative testified she drove an injured John to the hospital. Kelsey Borowski says John was frantically texting and was on what she described as an intense phone call. Afterwards, she said John said, "I lost my boys, I lost my kids," and mentioned the children being at a friend's house. The judge also heard from John's cousin, Brian O'Brien. A duffel bag containing what O'Brien believed were the boys' coats and toothbrushes was found on his porch before the boys disappeared. O'Brien also testified that he later visited John in jail, trying to get answers about the boys. He says John told him he gave them away, but did not remember to whom. And Brian's mother, Charlene O'Brien, testified that about a week before Thanksgiving, John was angry about Tanya and told family members he was, quote, gonna take matters into my own hands. On cross-examination, the defense honed in on John's relationship with his sons. Family members said they believed that John had a loving relationship with his sons and they never saw him abuse them in any way. Court resumes tomorrow here in Adrian at 10:30. Reporting in Lenawee County, Melissa Andrews, WTOL 11.